In the ever-evolving world of home appliances, the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner stands out as a game-changer, promising to transform your cleaning routine into a seamless, efficient, and even enjoyable task. Designed with cutting-edge features and user convenience in mind, this vacuum cleaner is a must-have for anyone looking to maintain a spotless home with minimal effort. Let's dive into the specifics and explore why the LEVOIT is gaining popularity among homeowners. From the moment you unbox the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, it's clear that this device is built with quality and user convenience in mind. The sleek black and white design is modern and aesthetically pleasing, fitting well into any home decor. Included in the box are the vacuum itself, a charging base, a detachable battery, a tangle-resistant roller, a pet tool, a dusting brush, and a crevice tool. Each component feels sturdy and well-made, promising durability and long-term use. One of the standout features of the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is its lightweight design. Weighing just a few pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver, making it ideal for cleaning everything from high shelves to under furniture. The vacuum can lie flat at 180, allowing it to reach under beds, sofas, and other low-clearance areas effortlessly. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended cleaning sessions. The vacuum's tangle-resistant design is a true innovation. The specially designed roller brush prevents hair from wrapping around it, a common problem with many vacuums. This feature is particularly beneficial for pet owners, as it eliminates the hassle of constantly untangling pet hair from the brush. Performance is where the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner truly shines. Equipped with a powerful high-speed motor, it offers up to 12,000 PA of suction power. This level of suction is more than adequate for picking up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and even larger debris from both carpets and hard floors. The vacuum operates with 3 modes: Eco, Standard, and Turbo. Eco mode provides up to 50 minutes of runtime, perfect for light cleaning and quick touch-ups. Standard mode offers a balanced approach with around 30 minutes of runtime, ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. Turbo mode delivers maximum suction power for those deep cleaning days, but with a shorter runtime of around 12 minutes. The LED lights on the vacuum head are a thoughtful addition, illuminating dust and debris in dark corners and under furniture, ensuring nothing is missed. The LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner comes with a rechargeable 600 mAh Li-ion battery. A full charge takes about 3 hours and provides ample cleaning time across its various modes. The inclusion of a BMS battery management system is noteworthy, as it monitors the charging status, temperature, and voltage of the battery, ensuring safe and stable operation. This system also helps prolonging the battery's lifespan, providing peace of mind and safety. For those who require longer cleaning sessions, additional batteries can be purchased separately, allowing you to swap them out and continue cleaning without waiting for a recharge. The LEVOIT excels in versatility. It's designed for multi-situation use, making it suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks around the home and even in the car. The included pet tool is a lifesaver for pet owners, effectively picking up pet hair from furniture and carpets. The dusting brush and crevice tool are perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas, ensuring a thorough clean throughout your home. The vacuum's 800 ml dust cup is larger than many other cordless vacuums, reducing the frequency of emptying. When it does need to be emptied, the process is straightforward and hygienic, with a simple twist to release and dump the contents. A high-efficiency filtration system is crucial for maintaining clean air in your home, and the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers on this front. It features a 5-stage filtration system that captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This ensures that dust and allergens are trapped inside the vacuum, making it an excellent choice for households with allergy sufferers. The washable HEPA filter is easy to clean and maintain, further enhancing the vacuum's longevity and performance. Despite its powerful suction, the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner operates at a low noise level. This is achieved through an upgraded air duct design that minimizes noise without compromising on performance. It's quiet enough to use without disturbing others, making it ideal for homes with children or pets. LEVOIT stands by the quality of its products, offering a 2-year warranty on the LEVOIT. This warranty provides protection against manufacturing defects and includes access to a professional after-sales team. Customer support is responsive and available 24/7, ensuring any issues or concerns are promptly addressed. Conclusion: the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a stellar addition to any home. Its combination of powerful suction, lightweight design, tangle-resistant roller, and high-efficiency filtration system makes it a top contender in the cordless vacuum market. Whether you're tackling pet hair, deep cleaning carpets, or tidying up hard floors, this vacuum delivers impressive results with minimal effort. Its user-friendly features, coupled with exceptional battery life and versatile accessories, make it an invaluable tool for maintaining a clean and healthy living environment. If you're in the market for a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use cordless vacuum, the LEVOIT LVAC 200 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.